Masia BGS by Enrica Mosciaro in Barcelona, Spain. This building, humble, non-uniform, formed by different structures, has been constructed over 3 centuries to meet the needs of its inhabitants and users. Its primary function has historically been residential, serving as the home for field workers for much of its history. As a composition of several buildings, each space had its own independent entrance and different ground levels. The project aims to unify the ground level, necessitating excavation in some areas, both inside and outside. In the late 19th century, the building was transformed into a glass furnace, and it was during this period that a magnificent brick arch was constructed. To bring the residents up to modern standards of habitability and sanitation, the entire existing structure has been respected, except for a central space left uncovered, which has been transformed into a courtyard providing air, light, and privacy to the dwelling. This solution minimizes exterior alterations to the farmhouse, preserving its characteristics as a simple, agricultural residence while emphasizing the beauty of the brick arch that testifies to the change in the building's use, from residential to industrial.